All right, investing in North Lawndale. Wow, I have invested in North Lawndale for the past 3.5 years, and I just wanted to reach out to everybody who's thinking about it or may be interested in that area and say, be careful, buyer beware in the North Lawndale area. And it's a very lucrative area if you know what you're doing, but it can also be an area that really gets that first-time investor or that novice investor and really gets them into a lot of trouble. You should be an expert real estate investor before venturing into the North Lawndale area. You're going to have to deal with code violations. You're going to have to deal with unsafe streets, and you're going to have to deal with being able to bring up the level of the area and not bringing it down. You're going to have to acquire the property low enough to be able to comply with all the code violations, to be able to comply with all of the city requirements as far as building inspections and permits. And those type of issues are not for the person who's just starting off and who just wants to do a little single-family home or maybe a light rehab. Some of the properties that you're going to encounter are going to need extensive gut rehabs in this area. Now, North Lawndale, I believe that in the next 5 to 10, maybe 15 years, is going to be a great area to own properties in. Very, very similar to the East Garfield Park area or even Ukrainian Village a little bit north on Western Avenue. So if you're thinking about investing in North Lawndale, really check your numbers, make sure that the rental rates are going to cover all your costs, and buyer beware in North Lawndale. If you'd like to know more, you'd like to hear my story, and check us out a little bit more, click on the link below and we'll get in contact with you, or you can come down to one of our free presentations.